my compulsion to report to you honestly and accurately at any moment what I'm feeling. Whether it helps me or not, because I've had so many advise me not to share this stuff that I do, and I have kicked out of so many places because I do. And then the pain I felt ever since my sister passed 2021, when her husband Sam started perpetrating on me in order to destroy me so he can take my mom's life savings. And he spoke to Albert and to his daughter, and they spoke to Alain across the street, and then Neda and Tania, and their efforts to get me arrested, keep provoking me for false 911 calls. The one August 17th last year, 2024, that actually got me arrested and I was in jail for 3 days. The one that came to Peter's house, February 24th, 2024. I got to get the dates right, and there's several others, and then solid proof I have the weaponizing false 911 calls to get me. That's what the squad was doing. So they're using the wounds caused by the squatter, keep poking at it over and over and over again to provoke my arrest. That is illegal. What mom has been doing for 7 years daily is illegal. But they decided 7 years ago to conceal that case, to restrict it and keep it secret. And then what makes it a psych operation is the effort they put in to hide it. That Sergeant Lafferty coming out there and scolding me the way he did, because I'm trying to find out the judge who dismissed that case, which I'm told the reason it's restricted, he shouldn't have. He let my mom go because she's elderly and mentally ill. And then because of that, because it wasn't adjudicated correctly, the sorrow I've had for 7 years that the police and the Anita is now exploiting to get that property, mom's life savings. And so the solid proof I have, going back 7 years at that property and going back to 2020 and further, and the other property, is just so much evidence, the malicious intention of those 911 calls daily from both properties attacking me to provoke my arrest. It's just solid. It's there. So Anita's coming here. She says to help my mom with a dentist appointment, the dentist thing. Time it right, and evidence is presented credibly and concisely, solid proof that these are crimes. She has to be arrested, and she gets off the plane, comes over there at mom's address, put handcuffs on her. And how much I want that, because of all the pain I've been through that she has caused intentionally to steal my mom's house.